Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can speed up Motorola Edge 50 Pro. There are some features and options in the settings that we can manage in order to speed up our device. So the first thing that I want to show you is the RAM boost. So let's go to the settings, scroll all the way down and go to system and then choose performance. Over here we need to tap on RAM boost. And over here, as you can see, we can extend the memory size up to 12 gigabytes. So definitely if you have troubles with running your Motorola Edge 50 Pro smoothly, you can extend the memory size. Of course, as long as you have enough device storage, because this option exchanges the device storage into the RAM. And yeah, this is essentially how it works. So you can select, for instance, 12 gigabytes if you have issues with your smartphone, if it works slowly, and then you might need to restart your device. But after that, it should be a little bit faster. Another thing that you can do is go to accessibility settings, and then over here you want to find color and motion, and then over here you have remove animations, which also speeds up your device a little bit. Of course, you don't have animations due to, of course, this option being off. However, it is a little bit faster in usage. So personally, I really don't like this option, but if you don't mind lack of animations, then you can, of course, use it. Another thing is the refresh rate that we can apply. So if we go to this display options, then we can go to display refresh rate, and here we can set up the hertz, the refresh rate. Ideally, you want to use at least 120 if you want to have smooth experience. And of course, you can also set it up to 144. However, I think the difference between those two is really minimal, and you probably wouldn't notice if you had it switched to lower. Of course, 60 Hz is definitely visible, and if you used this smartphone for a while with 120 or 144 Hz, then you will definitely see the difference in 60 Hz. So in order to speed it up, you can force one of these two options to be always on. However, keep in mind that higher refresh rate consumes more battery. Another thing that we can do is uninstall unused apps. So if you have some apps that you didn't use in a while, or you just stopped using, then you can go to apps in the settings, and then over here you have unused apps. Now in my case I don't really have any, but in your case you might find some apps that you have installed on your device for a long time now, and you should be able to find them over here. So you should have some information about apps that you, for instance, forgot about and you don't really use them. Another thing that we can do is free up storage. So we can go to Google Files app, and now over here what we can do is tap on these three lines in the top left corner, and then you can go to clean, and here you can use the clean button in order to remove junk files, like so. And then we will see the information, how much space we have recovered, which is also good to speed up our device. And another thing that we can do is go to trash as well, and here we have files that we removed, but not forever. So if you remove some files, then they land in trash for 30 days, and after 30 days they are removed automatically. You can also select all items over here by pressing the circle, and then you have the delete button, and then you can remove everything at once, like so. And of course you can also remove just individual files if you want to, or you can restore them if needed. And the last thing that you should do is close background apps. So if you use 3 buttons navigation, then you can press this one over here, and here you will find all apps that you have opened, and after a while you might forget that they are running. So you should definitely clear all, or go through one by one and then swipe them up in order to close them. So if you swipe up, then they are being closed, then you close them, and you can press clear all in order to close everything at once, and then you'll see the information at the bottom about the consequences, let's say, of closing those apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.